Good morning. Friday, gonna have a great day. I hope you do as well. Memorial Day weekend. We're gonna have a great weekend, and hopefully we remember those people that gave us the opportunity to be here in the United States with this awesome opportunity with so many things around us in abundance. Focusing on what we do have. It's not perfect, but it's really good, and it's way better than a lot of other countries and most other countries. So, I want to talk to you a little bit about caffeine and how to utilize caffeine more effectively for your health and fitness and fat loss. A little known secret in the competitive physique, figure, and bodybuilding world is that it's the #1 active ingredient in fat burners, pre-workouts. A lot of companies throw a bunch of junk in there because it's so popular and it makes people feel like speed or Adderall, and it makes them feel like they're getting more done, but it does make the workout more productive if it's using the right doses. And if you come off of it, that's the key. Even if you're not a competitive athlete, most likely people are using coffee and caffeine to get through their day. So here's the key: coming off of caffeine occasionally, using sane doses, 150 to 200 milligrams twice a day, once in the morning before some workout, some movement. Even if you're not going to the gym, some at-home body weight exercises or some body weight lunges, box plyo jumps. You can get your heart rate high and do cardio, jump rope without any equipment. Take your caffeine in the morning, 100, 150, 200 milligrams tops for a big person, like 200, 220 or more that's active, less for someone who's smaller. 15 to 30 minutes before your physical activity. You're going to get more activity done. You're going to get aggressive when you need to get aggressive, and it will enhance the fat burning effect of the exercise session at a molecular level. Just a little bit, but we'll take that little edge. And then a second dose of those same amounts in the middle of the day, preferably after you close your eyes for 15, 20 minutes for the nap during the day. That's a whole other topic. That's another one of my health hacks. So here is something I experienced here recently for myself. Coming off of caffeine, no caffeine for 7 days to 1 to 2 weeks is very helpful in this keeping this process healthy long term. An easy way to come off of caffeine is, first of all, don't go too high of a doses. Stick with the doses that I talked about. Don't abuse it. Take caffeine, and any source is good. Comment below if you want to know which source is my favorite. But you know, coffee is a great source, and make sure you come off it for 1 to 2 weeks to not have withdrawal headaches, to desensitize our body, and to re-up everything so that those small doses are very effective. A cold shower after your warm shower in the morning works wonders. Every time I come off of caffeine, I feel rejuvenated, refocused. I feel good without caffeine for the 2 weeks, and I don't have withdrawal headaches. And that is a cold shower after your hot shower in the morning. When you've come off of caffeine, takes the withdrawal headaches away. In fact, it makes your brain really smart and focused. I get more stuff done in the 2 hours in the morning when I take my cold shower, use my cold water therapy. So here's how you do it. Very simple. That side's getting hot. That's my lamp in the morning. Is after your hot shower, enjoy your hot shower like you typically would. Then, when the warm water runs out, the warm water heater, and you typically would get out, you turn 1/4 of the way towards cold, 10 seconds on your face, then the back of the head, then the middle of your spine, and then maybe a bad joint. I used to do my hip, but that hip is replaced now. Now I do my shoulder. And then again, 1/4 more towards cold, 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here, 10 seconds in each spot. Slow your breathing down, relax, don't tighten up and breathe hard. Relax, embrace the coldness. It's not that cold. You work into it. You do it 4 times, and then you're in the super cold, but it doesn't feel super cold. It's super doable by the 4th time. That works really well. Embracing the coldness, relaxing, and focusing on your breathing. Relaxing for the 10 seconds when you got the cold water on each spot. If you're in Texas or Florida where the water's not as cold, one of my buddies uses ice packs out of the fridge that he puts on, like on his stomach in a couple places. That helps. One of my buddies takes a couple gallons of cold water out of the fridge, and he'll pour half of it on his body if the cold water in the shower is not cold enough. I hope that helps. Comment below on any questions you have on why you should come off of caffeine, how to use caffeine, and how to use the cold shower therapy in the morning, for several reasons, but one, to help you not have withdrawal headaches from caffeine. I love you. You do have the power to change. Oh, I'm excited. My 12 health energy hacks is coming out in my book, The Faster Diet. in 4 to 8 weeks, and in 11 weeks I'm having a retreat, reboot, reset, retreat down in Florida. We're going to take people actually through the cold water therapy technique that I just talked about. Love you. You do if you want to know anything about those things, comment below. You're awesome. Rock and roll. And you already know it. You do have the power to change to make the rest of your life the best of your life.